Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the Aeitto Ice Maker. Both promise to deliver a refreshing supply of ice for your drinks, but which one is the better choice for your home? Let's dive into the details and find out. The first aspect we are comparing is the shape of the ice produced by each machine. The Igloo Ice Maker produces cylinder-shaped ice, which is great for keeping drinks cold without diluting them too quickly. On the other hand, the Aeitto Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice, which is not only visually appealing but also fits perfectly in various glass sizes. Each shape has its advantages, so it really comes down to personal preference. Next, let's look at the ice production speed. The Igloo Ice Maker takes about 7 to 8 minutes to produce a batch of 8 ice cubes, while the Aeitto Ice Maker is slightly quicker, producing the same amount in just 6 minutes. This means if you're in a hurry for ice, the Aeitto might be the better option for you. Finally, let's discuss the price. The Igloo Ice Maker is priced at $89.99, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable ice maker. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker is priced at $199.99, which reflects its additional features and faster ice production. While the Aeitto offers more flexibility with ice size options, the Igloo provides excellent value for money. In conclusion, both the Igloo and Aeitto Ice Makers have their unique strengths. The Igloo is an affordable and stylish option, while the Aeitto offers faster ice production and size options. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.